Happy Monday. Thanks for logging into 2 Minutes or Less with Travis. So today's topic is one that a lot of people have been talking about, probably around the water cooler at work. I know it's been all over Facebook. Tell me, please tell me, y'all, 2 new things that are going on that are just like blowing up that I don't think we ever did. And correct me if I'm wrong, maybe I'm just confused. So the first one is, now I'm seeing, she said yes to the prom. Prom's that big now? Like wedding style? Like, how much are people spending on this stuff? And then there's we're having a gender reveal party. So now you have gender reveal parties, baby shower, first year birthdays, and all of that stuff. Help me understand. Stop the madness. How expensive are proms and new babies now before the baby even gets here? Seriously? I was just wondering. Maybe it's just me. You tell me in the comments below. Thanks for logging into 2 Minutes or Less with Travis. Have a great one.